To Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to scan an Instagram QR code. Now, in the past you'd go to Instagram like this, press the profile in the bottom right hand corner. Now, here you'd press share profile, and in the top right hand corner here where we have this pencil, where we can edit the profile, change the background colour or change the colour, you would have a scan icon where you could press and then scan someone else's QR code. That's no longer there, and what you need to do is just simply go to your phone's camera and scan the QR code and scan the Instagram QR code, and it'll take you directly back to the Instagram app once you do that to add that person. So even though it's no longer on the app, that's how to scan Instagram QR codes. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.